Hi everyone. Because I got the problem with the actuator on the Honda Accord 2008, the driver side, which means the right left side. So because I cannot find any instruction or any menu that show me how to open the door, so I open it and then I film it to put on YouTube so you can, if someone need to or want to open it by themselves, they can just try it. It's actually very simple step, just a couple steps, and they're gonna save you a lot of money and time. So here, first you need to remove this cover, which is this one right here. You just need to grab on the left side and then pull it out. It's very simple and right there. And then you use a small flat screwdriver and then open one right here, and then take this one up, and then you need to open two screws. So here's one screw, here's another one, two screw right here, and one more screw right here, which you can use this flash drive to open the cover, and another screw right here. Just use this one, stick in here and open it out. It's gonna be like this. And one last screw is right here. Just also use this flash screwdriver, open this. After that, you just need to use something that flash. You can use whatever flash, but not like sharp. You may cut yourself. And then the towel, small towel, to cover it. It's not to scratch your door pane, and just open on the top, and then open down to the bottom, and then all the way around up to here. After that, you will be fine. It's gonna a little bit sticky, but then you just leave it up. Just leave it up and take it apart. As simple. The inside door panel. So you can see here's the door open, and we have the cable that connect to the actuator. So we first remove this water shield cover, and then we disconnect the power short, which control the actuator from the remote. So and then we're going to remove this screw right here. We're going to remove this screw right here. So here's how it looks like. So, and after remove that, we remove the screw right here to take out the, we not totally take out, we just like we just need to get it loose. And this part right here, we put on top here, or you can find a better way to put, but like we can hand it on the top so it's not going to drop it down. And then we remove the three screw, this screw, and this screw. After remove this screw, we will able to access inside. It's a little bit dark to see, but if you see there's the cable that control the key lock, that's one you can simply remove by hand. And on the top, yeah, right here, you can remove this part right here. Yeah, right here. You can see my finger. It's a little bit dark, but hope you can see it. We remove right here, so we can take out the actuator. After that, we were able to remove the actuator. Just one thing in mind that please don't tear this one apart because it's going to seal the water. So the water not going to get inside of your door and get corrosion, the part inside. When you remove these 3 screws, please use your impact driver, otherwise you're going to trip the screw. And the head is the number 3, so keep that in mind. So it's already have some sticky glue on that. When you put them back together, you just need to hang this one over the nut or whatever you call it. And then just gently put them back together like that. And yeah, this is the actuator that after you remove it, it's gonna look like this. So you can see the part number 72150 SWA801. So that's what you're looking for. The Honda Accord 2008. They have 2 different versions. The one with aluminum, they're gonna have different actuator, and the one with the steel wheel have the different actuator. So keep that in mind.